Hey friend, Graham Cochran here, seven-figure business owner and fanatical user of the online business platform Kajabi. In this video series, I'm gonna walk you through over 31 days how to do everything you need to do inside of Kajabi, from launching products to sending marketing emails to creating webinars to scaling and automating your online business so you make more while working less. It's all here. Now, if you don't already have Kajabi, you're in luck. I want to get you access to a 14-day free trial using my link, grahamcochran.com/Kajabi. But not just the free trial, because you can get that anywhere. I want to give you 2 free mini courses just by signing up with my link. One you'll get the moment you join, called Ready, Set, Kajabi, which walks you through hand in hand how to launch your business with Kajabi, including some of my best ninja marketing tactics that I use on the regular. You get that the moment you sign up with my link. And then if you become a paying member of Kajabi after the trial, I'm gonna send you a free sales copy formula mini course, my 3-step sales copy formula to help you sell more products to more people effortlessly. It's all for free if you just sign up for Kajabi using my link at grahamcochran.com/Kajabi, or I'll link to it below. In this video, we're going to look at how to create bundle offers so you can make even more money out of your current product line, all inside of Kajabi. Hope you're ready to dive in. I'm Graham Cochran, and this is 31 Days with Kajabi. So what I've pulled up here is my Kajabi backend for one of my businesses, The Recording Revolution, and I've got a lot of products. Okay, I got a ton of products in here. But one thing we wanted to try was, I don't want my students to just have one of my products or another one of my products. I really want them to have all of the products because they go together and they help them achieve every desire they have in the space of music recording and production, that kind of stuff. So even though some of my students, my superstar students, my super fans would buy all my different products individually, a lot of them wouldn't. A lot of my customers would have 1 or 2, which is great, but they could get so much value if they had all of them. So one idea that we had was, what if we could offer them all of my products, at least my best-selling ones, the ones that truly help, at a tremendous discount, to incentivize them to spend a little bit more money with us than maybe a 1-off or a 2-off product purchase, but get insane value because it's way cheaper than buying them individually. What I love about Kajabi is how they separate products from offers, okay? If you've noticed that under the products tab here, you've got products and offers. Those are 2 separate things. You make the products, upload the videos, those are the actual things you build, but offers are unlimited. Offers are just a price, and what do you get with that price? That's basically it. So what I wanted to show you is I've got all these products: Total Home Recording, Rethink Mixing, the Jumpstart series, Rethink Pro Tools, Rethink Guitar, all these, the Songwriting and Arranging course, all these products. What we decided to do is bundle them together. So I made an offer called my Radio Ready System. Okay, so instead of making a new product, about 3 years ago, decided to just make an offer and name it something. So we named it the Radio Ready System because all of the courses inside of this bundle help you make what I call radio ready songs, songs that sound so good they could play on the radio. So we just gave it a name, but it's just the name of the offer. And it's just not even a really good graphic. Look how boring and basic that is. It's just orange and it says the Radio Ready System with my logo, okay? I could make a better graphic, but this just proves the point all the more that it almost doesn't matter. Just threw up a graphic real quick. We did this for a live webinar initially. Gave it a name, Radio Ready System. And when you scroll down with the offer, I just said price point, $397, okay? Now these courses, if you add them all up, would cost maybe $2,000 full price. Even at their discounted prices, if I've ever discounted them, it would at least be $997, and that would still be a discount. What you're getting is Mixing University, Rethink Your Room, Total Home Recording. These are all actual courses or products inside of Kajabi. So when you make an offer, normally you're making an offer for your course. So let's say my course, Mixing University, I create the product and I create the offer, and I just tie them together, real basic. So when you buy the Mixing University offer, you get the Mixing University course. But offers being separate and detached from products means we can do anything we can imagine. So what we did was just made up an offer, made a price $397, and then added all the products that we want to have included. And then we added an upsell to give them a free trial of my membership. And then we created an onboarding email sequence that walks them through all the different courses that they're getting so that it makes sense for the bundle that they're buying. And we offer this bundle for $397. We sold it on a webinar. I think we did $60,000, $70,000 that day or over the 48-hour period after the webinar. Made a ton of money. We were like, this is great. So we made this a staple. We use an auto webinar and we sell it all the time. However, what I wanted to show you is that not only did we make one offer that's a bundle of a bunch of products to add a ton of value to our customers and our students and also increase revenue for us, but I have multiple versions of this offer. So now I'm inside my offers page and I just looked up Radio Ready System. These are all different versions, 6 different versions of the bundle. Okay, so here in the middle, it says Radio Ready System old version, do not use, okay? This is the one we don't sell anymore, and that one's made us over $450,000, okay? Then we had a payment plan version of the old Radio Ready System, okay? That made about $6,500. Then we have the Radio Ready System down here as an upsell when they join VIP. Okay, that's made about $10,000. There is a Radio Ready System upsell when they buy Rethink Mixing. That's about $2,700. Right now we're running a Radio Ready System upsell, a discounted Radio Ready System. This is like a dream within a dream. This is a discount on a discounted bundle, and that's showing up as an upsell when they buy a course that I'm launching right now, Musical Income. So not a whole lot of people going for that right now, but that's one way we're doing another offer. And then this is the one we updated when we changed some of the courses. It used to be 10 courses, now it's 9, but we built a new course at the end of 2018 that we implemented into this bundle. That's made about $380,000. I hope your mind is expanding to see this is like you've got products, then we bundle them together into one bundle offer that adds immense value at a discounted price. And then you can do variations of the bundle to try out what do you want to try out? Well, different price points of the bundle. Does it sell better at $397 in my case, or does it sell better at $297 or $497? Does it sell the same number of copies at $497 that it does at $297? Then why don't we just go for $497? Does it sell better as a payment plan? Does it sell better as an upsell to another product? Did it sell better at Christmas time? Why not create a bundle for the holidays? Why not create a bundle for something you want to try, and you can trace that offer and just name it internally Christmas version and see how well that performed versus at another time of year. You can offer one offer to one group of people in your list and to another group of people, and you can, instead of segmenting it, you can just call the offer a different name so that you can track which offer sells better to which people. This is one thing I love about Kajabi, but again, not just offers, because that's powerful, but think about a bundle. Think about if you need something new to sell and you don't have anything new to sell and you have at least 2 products, can you bundle them together at a special rate and make it a limited time offer? Either just blast it out to your list, do a webinar, and at the end of the webinar, offer this amazing deal. It will be tremendous for your audience because it's adding a ton of value. They're getting a great deal. If they take action and are willing to spend a bit more, they can get 2 for a much better price than if they bought them individually. And then you get to sell something new without making anything new. It's like literally getting something for nothing. It's pretty incredible. You've already done the work. Why not monetize that work in a fresh new way with a bundled offer in Kajabi? Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget, if you want to jump on the free trial of Kajabi and get up to 2 amazing free bonus courses from yours truly, just go to grahamcochran.com/Kajabi and sign up today. That's it for today's video. I hope to see you tomorrow as we dive deeper into Kajabi and help take your business to the next level.